Hey, how you doing? My name is Harold Reed. I'm a certified professional life coach, motivational speaker, and published author. I've been asked to contribute to this blog to help brothers who have, for one reason or another, found themselves out of their relationships. Be it divorce, separation, becoming a widow. Suddenly you're a bachelor. And that could be hard, especially if you invested a lot in that relationship. I want to let you know that your life is not over. You're going to have good days, you're going to have bad days. Every love song on the radio or every video you see is going to probably remind you of that woman. But there is life. And even if you're going through some things, you're going to heal. Time heals all wounds. It's not a joke, it's not a cliche, it's fact. Time heals all wounds. What I want you to do, though, as we progress in our relationship with one another, I want you to take one thing into consideration, and I want us to start off on the right track. Regardless of however your relationship ended, short of, God forbid, it being because your significant other passed away, I want you to take ownership for every part that you played in the manifestation of your relationship. However it started, however it was maintained, and especially however it ended. You played somewhat of a part in that, somehow, some way. I'm not saying you were at fault for anything. I'm saying you played a part in it. Take ownership of the part that you played. Now, if there were some things that, looking back, hindsight being 2020, you could have done better, take ownership of that. If you were just with the wrong woman and she went and did whatever she did and you stepped up and said, I can't be around that, that's cool too. But be honest about yourself and everything that you had to do with everything that was involved in that relationship. That's the number one thing that we have to agree upon as we go forward. In the coming weeks and months, I'll be dropping you some lines, either written through a blog or I'll drop off a video here and there, just to keep your spirits up. It's not over. It's not the end of the world. And you know what? There is another woman out there who deserves you. There is another woman out there who you deserve. I was reading a poem earlier today, and basically, in a nutshell, because I'm not going to read you a poem, okay? But people are put into our lives for a reason, a season, or a lifetime, okay? Sometimes people come into our lives to fulfill a certain purpose. Other times, they just there, and they go. And then there's people who are put into our lives to stay with us for the rest of our lives. So where it comes into play is that, you know what, love's a gamble, man. Love's a gamble. And you're gonna the only way you're gonna find happiness is you're gonna have to put those dice on the table. You're gonna have to put those cards in your hand. You're gonna have to belly up, ante up, and kick in. Because that's the only way you're gonna get a return. It's you know what, let's not even say it's a gamble. It's an investment. And as you well know, you're gonna put something in, you're gonna get something back. It might be good, it might be bad. But let's focus on what we can do as men and make ourselves better so that we know what we want when we see it, and we know what we're worthy of so that we can lay down some criteria for what we want for ourselves, for our happiness as men. That's the direction I'm going to take, and that's the direction you're more than likely or more than welcome to follow. All right? You guys take care, and I will be in touch. My name is Harold Reed. You can contact me if you like through my email address, which is coachreed4life@live.com. I'll be in touch. You guys take care. Bye.